Welcome back, everyone. Before we get started, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more Windows fixes and helpful PC tutorials. If you're having trouble signing into YouTube on your Windows 11 PC, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a simple method that can help fix the issue. Start by opening your web browser. In the top right corner, click the three-dot menu, then select Settings. From the left sidebar, click Privacy and Security, then choose Delete Browsing Data. Set the time range to all time so your browser removes all stored sign-in data. Make sure cookies and other site data is checked. You can also keep cached images and files selected to clear outdated website files. Now click Delete Data and wait for the process to finish. Once it's done, completely close your browser. Don't just close the YouTube tab. Exit the entire browser. Then open it again. Now go to youtube.com, click Sign In the top right corner, and enter your Google account email and password as usual. Your sign-in page should now load properly, allowing you to access your YouTube account without getting stuck on the login screen or seeing common sign-in errors. That's all there is to it. If this guide helped you, give this video a like, subscribe for more Windows and PC tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.